Okay, my Windy City is here. So I kind of misspoke in my other video. That's for the second cities. I said that was just for them, but I realized that you're gonna watch that video too, and I'm not gonna um, create a whole new video repeating myself of those ones. So here's what you're gonna do. I want you to basically do all the on your own questions. So I want you to do number 3 on this page. And then I want you to do 4, 5, 6, and 7 on the next page. Okay. Now, I already recorded how to do 4, 5, 6, and 7 in the second city's video. So you're going to watch their video to see how to do all of these problems. Okay. But I'm going to show you how to do number 3 right now in this video. Okay. So circle all the on your owns. Try them by yourself right now. Okay, then and push pause and then come back to this video to see the answer for number 3. Okay, so here is number 3. It's kind of like the same that we've been doing with number 2, number 1, and the other problem on the other page. Okay, you have to kind of set it up with a little model and some letters for some unknown numbers as you go. And then you're going to have to go backwards to find those missing numbers that were at the beginning. Okay. So, oh, wait. Yeah. Okay. So let's see of this one. Ryan gave 7 of his model cars to a friend. So I know right at the beginning, he's giving away 7 of his cars, right? But I don't really know how many he started with. So maybe I'll do an R for Ryan's cars that he started with, right? So R is Ryan's cars, and he's giving 7 away. Okay. And then I don't know how many he ended up with because it doesn't tell me here, but it does tell me what to do next, right? So before I can move on to something else he does, I need to put like some letter here for what this total is. So let's just do maybe an S. So this is how much he's going to have after he gives away his 7. So S, then he buys 6 more. So buying more would be like, why did I do this here? Okay, sorry, I paused it so I could rewrite it a little higher so I have enough space to keep going. Okay, so Ryan gave away 7 of his cars and he ended up with some number. We don't know what it is, so I just put an S. Okay, then after he did that, he bought 6 more. So his number is going to get bigger now. So I'm going to add 6 more. Now Ryan has 13. So I do know his total now is 13. So now I need to go backwards and do everything opposite to get back up to this number because it says, how many cars did Ryan start with? So I need to get how many this beginning number was. You're just going to flip everything backwards. If it was addition, you need to do subtraction to go backwards to solve what it started with. So I'm going to do, if this was S plus 6 equals 13, then I need to do 13 minus 6 to get S. Is S, right? This is like a related fact, a fact family. So what is 13 minus 6? That would be 7. So instead of S, I have 7. Wait a minute. That doesn't make sense. Oh, yeah, it does. Okay. So now I have 7 here. And I know that Ryan started with a number, he took away 7, and that gave him 7 left over. So instead of subtracting, I need to go backwards and do the opposite, which is addition. If he ended with 7 and you add that other 7 back, that will give you the R, right? This is a fact family again. R minus 7 is 7. 7 plus 7 is R. So what is 7 plus 7? 14. So he has 14. And again, I could check by taking that 14, what I think the answer is, and seeing if it fits with all the clues. So if I say he started with 14 and he gave away 7, how many would he have left? 14 minus 7 would be 7. Then he bought 6 more. So what's 7 plus 6 more? 13. And that's what matches. Okay, so I'm going to stop this video. You need to do the other problems on the back page and then look at the other video to see all the answers. Sorry for the confusion about the videos today.